Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video we want to evaluate this limit. So if today is your first time on our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and then comment as well. Now let us write the question again. So we are going to have the limit as x approaches 0 of the square root of x plus 1 minus 1 all over x. And from here let us use direct substitution and see what we are going to get. So by direct substitution we are going to have the square root of 0 plus 1 minus 1 all over 0. So this will be equal to square root of 0 plus 1 is the same as square root of 1 minus 1 all over 0. So you are going to have 1 minus 1 all over 0, and we are also going to have 0 over 0. And 0 over 0 is indeterminate. So we need to find different ways of solving this question. Now let me clean this. Now let us consider this function. So we have the square root of x plus 1 minus 1 all over x. And so from here we can rewrite the fraction by rationalizing the numerator. So when we do that, we are going to multiply this term by 1. And then 1 can be expressed as the square root of x plus 1 all over the square root of x plus 1 plus 1. And so from here we are going to multiply this with this. So we are going to have the square root of x plus 1 minus 1 multiplying the square root of x plus 1 plus 1 all over. Then you're also going to multiply this with this one. So we are going to have x multiplying the square root of x plus 1 plus 1. So we are going to have, now you can express the numerator as the square root of x plus 1 multiplying the square root of x plus 1 plus 1. And then we are going to have minus 1 multiplying the square root of x plus 1 plus 1 all over x multiplying the square root of x plus 1 plus 1. And so we are going to have square root of x plus 1 into this bracket. We are going to have x plus 1 plus the square root of x plus 1. And then negative 1 into this bracket. We are going to have negative times the square root of x plus 1 minus 1 all over x multiplying the square root of x plus 1 plus 1. And so from here 1 will cancel out negative 1, and then this square root will also take care of this square root. So we are going to be left with x over x into the square root of x plus 1 plus 1. And over here x will take care of x, so we're going to be left with 1 over the square root of x plus 1 plus 1. And so we have been able to rationalize the function over here. So in place of the function in the limit here, we are going to write this over there. So let's do that. And so we are going to have the limit as x approaches 0, and then write this over there, 1 over the square root of x plus 1 plus 1. Now when we do our substitution, we are going to have 1 over the square root of 0 plus 1 plus 1. So this will be equal to 1 over the square root of 1 plus 1, which are going to have 1 over 1 plus 1, and we are going to have 1 over 2. And so the value of this limit is 1 over 2. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time on our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and then comment as well.